Hello kids, please subscribe my channel and enjoy my new videos.
Guardians of the Glowvine Garden. Princess Elara, with Zephyr the wind sprite and Ivy, the forest nymph by her side, arrives at the Glowvine Garden. This sacred garden is a lifeline for the fairy city, where magical vines pulse with soft light, fueling the kingdom's magic. Elara hovers above the glowing plants, her wings shimmering. Like the morning dew, I sense something's off, Ivy whispers, gently placing her hand on one of the vines. The light flickers faintly. The magic here is fading. Elara furrows her brow. She knew the disturbance reported by the elders had something to do with this. The glowvine should be vibrant and strong, but today, something was draining its energy. We need to act quickly, Elara says, determination in her voice. She gathers magic from the earth beneath her feet, channeling it through her hands and into the glowing vines. A soft, radiant light swirls around her, merging with the vines. But it isn't enough. Something darker is at play. Just as Elara and her companions begin their investigation, a gust of wind whispers through the air, carrying with it a message from the far fields, the source of the disturbance the elders warned about. The far fields, Zephyr mutters, his voice tinged with worry. It seems whatever is affecting the garden is coming from there. Elara nods, her face calm but focused. We must go, she says, her voice soft but firm. Leaving the Glowvine Garden to the care of the garden fairies, Elara and her friends set off toward the far fields, where the magic of Luminara was said to be strongest but most vulnerable. As they fly toward the far fields, the once bright skies begin to darken. Shadows creep along the ground, and a strange, cold wind rustles the trees. Elara's heart beats faster. Something or someone is tampering with the magic of the land. Upon arriving, they see it a swirling vortex of dark energy hovering over the enchanted fields. At the center stands a figure cloaked in black, a sorcerer casting dark spells to drain the magic from the land. You dare challenge the magic of Luminara? Elara calls out, her voice steady as she prepares for battle. Morven turns, a twisted grin on his face. Ah, Princess Elara, he hisses. You may have banished me once, but the magic of this land will soon be mine. Elara, Zephyr, and Ivy waste no time. Zephyr conjures fierce winds to try and break the vortex, while Ivy summons her vines to trap the sorcerer. But Morven's dark magic is strong, and he deflects their attacks with ease. Elara knows this battle cannot be won with brute force. She needs to outsmart Morven. But how? As she dodges a blast of dark energy, an idea comes to her, a memory of the elders' teachings from that very morning. The magic of Luminara is rooted in harmony, she remembers. It cannot be broken by darkness unless we allow it to. With this in mind, Elara draws upon the purest light within her. She closes her eyes, spreading her wings wide, and summoning all the love, hope, and joy that her kingdom holds. A brilliant beam of light shoots from her hands, cutting through the darkness. Morven screams as the light surrounds him, forcing him back. This isn't over, princess, he snarls, disappearing into the shadows. Restoration and reflection. As the darkness fades, the far fields begin to glow again. The magic of the land returns, stronger and brighter than ever before. Elara, though tired, smiles with relief, the crisis averted. Elara and her companions return to Glimmer Grove, where the city has already begun to flourish again. The Glowvine Garden's light is restored, and the kingdom's magic comes peacefully. Elara knows her duties as princess are far from over. But for now, she is content to rest, knowing her kingdom is safe for today.